Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare delicious turkey patty. We will need a pound of ground turkey, 1 small onion, 1 small potato, an egg, salt and pepper to taste, 30 grams of butter and a little bit of chopped parsley. Also we will need some olive oil, just some tablespoons to fry. Now we chop in blender onion and potato. I add an egg so it will be easier to chop. And now we're gonna mix everything together. And like this, we do our patties. Just butter, a little bit of parsley, and like this, mix it together. And this way we form them. Give them a shape and fry. And these are our patties. They're nice golden brown, and we have here 7 big patties. Now I will put them in the oven for 10 minutes, just to make sure they will be very well done inside. So 10 minutes in the oven, 180 by Celsius. Now they are ready and they smell delicious. They are well done. Enjoy your meal.